Let me know what you guys think about my hairstyle. What's your favorite thing about it? Is it the color? Is it the curls? Is it the bun? Cause I'm popping.
Yeah, I'm that nigga. Yeah, I'm that bitch. Yeah, I'm that nigga. Yeah.
Hi, my beautiful people. Happy New Year's. How you guys doing? I know there's been a rough struggle year, but we got through it and we're here. I hope you guys have a great year this year. So my birthday is like January 8th, and I have a photo shoot on the 4th. So this is me just doing my hair the night before, and it was like so late at night. I don't know why I do things late, but I didn't know how to do my hair. So I'm like, I want to updo with my looks. So let me just do something cute without having to retwist my hair all over again, right? So I just want to show you guys this cute updo, and all I'm doing now is like flat twisting it as if you're doing a mohawk. So just flat twisting it going up, and then rubber band to secure it, and doing the same thing on the other side. And look at how cute this look. Perfect. I was getting so frustrated, y'all, because it was late and I was getting tired, boy. And I had to get up early for this photo shoot to get ready, because I do everything by myself. And this would be a cute hairstyle too if you just leave it down like that. I'll make another video with that. Yes. And so we're just going to braid this going up. Not really braid, but the lock barrels going up to the bun that's going to be on top. But if you don't know how to do lock barrel, you can like flat twist this also if you want. And I love this hairstyle though. Definitely. It was super cute with my look, and I can't wait to share my pictures with you guys. I styled myself. I did my own makeup, my own hair, everything. And even the photographer was like, you did your own makeup? Like, I don't even got to do that much Photoshop. This is perfect. I'm like, thank you. This is years of practice. But yes, less is always more. The way I like to do my makeup, I don't cake it up. You could still see a little imperfections, my little dark spots, just a little tiny bit, because I ain't trying to look like a Barbie doll out of a magazine. You feel me? But you know, just a natural. You feel me? Y'all feel me? My arms was dead that night. Like my arms, oh man, doing your own hair is so hard just because the arm part. But it's okay because I take breaks. I take breaks on my own head, of course. So this is me just trying to figure out where the best place to lay the locks. And don't worry, you see the little ones sticking up, I will tuck them inside. So don't worry about those. And my color looks so beautiful, y'all. I'm in love with this color. So I had my brother tie the back with a rubber band, like a big rubber band, while I was holding it, because there was no way I could have tied it. It was gonna fall over. So now I'm just, for the bun, I'm taking a couple locks together and tying them with a rubber band at the ends, so that it'll be easier for me to tuck them in to create a bun. Since my locks are short, it's really hard to do what long locks are able to do. So I found a way to like tuck them in. By doing that, it made it easier to create a cute bun. You guys will see at the end. But yes, guys, I turned 26 this year. Woohoo! 26, another year. Another year of pressure of my mom putting me to have a baby. Anyways, I love my mom. She's in Haiti right now having fun. But yes, guys, look at it. Look at this. Look at the beads. I love how the beads and the gold bobby pin is showing and stuff. So cute. Because now I'm going to spray my hair down with water. Always get it damp so your curls can be, cute. So I had it damp with water, not wet. And I'm putting the perm rods, rolling it like a spiral curl. And yes, so I grab like some of them I grab 2 locks, some of them I grab 3 locks. For the pink one, since it's bigger, I grab 3 locks. The purple one is smaller, so I grab 2 locks. And I'm just gonna go to sleep, wake up tomorrow, bam, baddie. This is actually after my photo shoot because I didn't have time. And you see my curl drops already because that was a long day. I was shooting for like 4 to 5 hours, y'all. And I was such a natural in front of the camera. I'm happy he said I made his job easier because I know how to pose.
Thank
And
you guys. I love you guys so much. You
came
guys
ready,
are my
you feel
friends.
me?
Like literally, you guys for subscribing to me. You guys are my friends, and I appreciate you all. And I hope you guys love this hairstyle, and I hope you guys try it and tag me on Instagram. Bye, my loves. Mwah.